Kati Vasti, an ancient Ayurvedic therapy for back pain. Back pain, one of the most common complaints in modern life. Hours of sitting, heavy lifting, poor posture, even stress, each of these can disturb the delicate balance of our spine. But Ayurveda, the science of life that has guided health for over 5,000 years, has a solution written in its ancient texts, including the Charak Samhita. One such therapy is Kati Vasti. The word Kati means lower back, and Vasti means to hold or contain. Quite literally, Kati Vasti is a treatment where warm medicated oil is contained over the lower back for healing purposes. First, a ring is made using black gram flour dough. This ring is carefully placed on the patient's lower back, sealing it tightly so no oil seeps out. Then, lukewarm medicated oil, selected according to the patient's body type, pain condition, and imbalance of doshas, is gently poured into this well. Oils like Mahanarayan Tela, Shirabala Tela, or Dishmul Taila are commonly used. The oil is maintained at a constant, soothing temperature, and replaced several times during the therapy to keep it warm. As the oil rests in this pocket, it penetrates deep into the muscles, joints, and nerves. The warmth softens stiff tissues, reduces inflammation, and improves blood circulation. Many patients describe it as a wave of calmness flowing through their spine. After retaining the oil for a fixed duration, a gentle massage and steam therapy may follow, enhancing the healing effect. Kati Vasti is not just for ordinary back pain. It's remarkably effective in conditions like lumbar spondylitis, sciatica, slipped disc, herniated disc, osteoporosis-related pain, and even muscle spasms. It strengthens spinal muscles, nourishes bones and ligaments, lubricates joints, and improves flexibility. And beyond physical healing, there's a profound calming of the nervous system. The therapy eases not just the body, but also the mind, reducing anxiety and restlessness that often come with chronic pain. At Nidanam Wellness, Kati Vasti is offered in its authentic, traditional form, under the guidance of Ayurvedic physicians. Oils are freshly warmed, carefully selected, and applied with precision. This is the beauty of Ayurveda: simple ingredients, deep wisdom, and therapies that stand the test of centuries. Kati Vasti isn't just a treatment, it's a reminder that healing can be gentle, natural, and profoundly effective.